Hi, my friends. Let's learn the coding technique collecting items. Collecting items is interacting with one sprite at a time out of a large group of identical sprites. So often we have a bunch of sprites and we want to be able to interact with them individually. This technique can be used whenever we have multiple copies of the same sprite and you want to interact with them one at a time. Here's a couple examples. Items that you want to pick up to increase your score. Power-up items. Enemies that all do the same thing when they hit you. Or goals that you need to hit in order to finish the game. Most of the time, there are two ways this interaction can be coded. Either by coding on the character boulder or coding on the items, the stars. In this technique, we'll just learn about the first way. This is because the other way is much more obvious and doesn't need a lot of extra explanation. If you have many items of type A interacting with many items of type B, you must use this method. To code this on the character, we use when colliding block and name the item that we collide with so that we can refer to it with other blocks. Okay, you guys, let's go and look at our code. So right here, we have splash and we have a coin. I am going to select splash so we see what we have. Our goal is to have Splash collect these coins whenever she runs into them. So we're going to create a couple codes. So I'm going to go to collision. When I start colliding with any, and then I'm going to change it to coins. And right here, we're going to write hide me. Modify the collision event when I start colliding with any coins. Okay, ready? We need to add a target name. So I'm pulling it right here. And we're going to name it this coin. Okay? And then we're going to hide and pick this coin. Let's run the program and see what happens. Okay, so they disappear. Now let's have a goal new. What if we also wanted to keep score when we were collecting coins? So we're going to create a before the program, and we're going to do a variable, and we're going to name it score. So I'm going to do new variable and call score. And then we're going to start off at 0. Makes sense that we start off at 0. Now we're going to add to the collision event. We're going to set our score. We're going to grab a variable, go score, and we're going to do a math. We're going to do add. So every time we go over a thing, we're going to score and add 1. And then we'll print. And it looks like I need my input, not input, but my neat little thing here. And I need 1 more, so I have 2. So I'm going to have a variable in the middle, and this gives me my score. And then I'm going to have two things here. I'm going to write coins. And then I'm going to say you have collected. So you've collected blank coins. So let's go run and see what happens. Look at that at the bottom. I've collected 9 coins. I collected all 10. That is cool. So as you're doing these kind of things, remember, have fun, make mistakes, learn, and always enjoy yourself. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.